Hey guys, the next Coolify service that we're going to be self-hosting is called Embystat. Embystat is basically an additional server that you use on top of Emby to get statistics on your movies and TV shows that you've uploaded to your Emby server. So with that, I'm just going to show you really quick what it's going to look like. You're going to get an interface that looks like this, and you'll be able to get statistics on movies and shows here if you have them set up. So with that, I'm going to go into Coolify and click Add a new project. We're going to call it Embystat tutorial. Select the production environment. Click Add a new resource and then search for Embystat. Select the server that you're going to be hosting it on. And we're almost ready. So I like to shorten the service name and also shorten the URL. Hit save and then hit deploy. So the containers have started. Just gonna wait for it to say running healthy, and then we can visit the URL. So now that the service is healthy, let's open it up in a new URL. So now we get an onboarding journey. Click next here if you want to use English as your preferred language, and then enter in a username and password. I'm just gonna enter in some dummy credentials here. And so now it attempted to find the media server, but it couldn't. And I suspect this is only because I'm self-hosting it on a VPS. Maybe if this was on your local computer, it wouldn't have the same issues finding your local Emby server. But anyways, let's click this icon there. So for the full server URL, we are going to use the Emby URL that we deployed earlier in the last video. And so I'm just going to paste it here without the port because this URL should map to this port automatically. And so then I'm going to need the API key. And for that, I'm going to visit the Emby server and then go down to API keys. And you're going to need to create a new API key and just give it any name. I've already done that. And when you hit submit, you will get a line like this, and you can just double click the text and paste it here. So then hit next and hit next again. And there you go. You should be set up. So here you can see that it's saying select the movie libraries, and I have something here. If you don't have something here, it could be because something's not set up correctly on your Emby server. And I have a couple of libraries on here. So I have home and videos and photos, home videos and photos, and movies. And the path is different. I've got /photos, /TV shows, and /movies. And as you can see, the one for /movies is the one that is showing up. So I suspect that it's looking for /movies and maybe also /shows. And so anyways, we're going to click on movies and then hit next. Just hit next because I didn't have any shows. So then we hit finish. It's going to say not now. So log in with the credentials that you entered in earlier. And so now we're in. So I'm just going to hit on movies. It's not going to find anything because I don't actually have something there. And that same thing with shows. It didn't detect anything anyways. But if I had movies, then you would be able to see statistics on here. So that is pretty much it. You should know that Embystat is still in alpha development, so it could still change. But that's how you self-host Embystat on Coolify. And that's going to be it for this video. I will see you in the next one.